How to charge the Fetal Lite and its accessories. Sensor unit charging. To charge the sensor unit, open the USB flap on the sensor unit. Now take the USB cable from the dock and connect it to the sensor unit. The software will not show real-time charging for the sensor unit. The charging status is updated when you initiate the next test. FHR probe or ultrasound probe charging. To charge the ultrasound probe, place the probe in the charging slot on the docking station. We can view the charging indicator on the screen of the ultrasound probe. Docking station charging. To charge the docking station, connect the power cord to the adapter and connect the adapter to the charging slot. You can view the charging indicator on the software. Clicker battery installation. First, open the back cover of the clicker. Now insert two AAA batteries. Close the cover and turn on the clicker. For any service and customer support, please reach out to info@innaccel.com or 8050 421 876.